All right, so your data set is open. This is very clearly a gigantic data set, and it's our variable names up here don't really make any sense. They're all codes. So we need to figure out what this data is and what it represents and what it means. So this is actually data from the 2006 GSS, which is General Social Survey. It's a gigantic survey in the United States, and it collects sociological data. So it surveys a sample of the American public, and it asks them about their beliefs and attitudes and all that good stuff. So first, we want to make sure that we have 4,510 respondents here, which we do. We can go to data view and scroll down to the bottom, and then you want to double check and make sure that you have 1,311 variables, which you can see at the top here on the top right, or you can go to variable view and scroll all the way down to the bottom to double check. There are a few variables that you need to double check: row 77, 1232, and 191. You can find those in your Word doc. I'm not going to sit here and make you look at me double check my values. They're all correct in my file, so that's good to go. Before you actually start working with this data, though, like I said, you need to understand what all of this means. All these are coded, and it's not going to be fun to read through all these labels trying to find what you're looking for, right? So we're going to minimize this. We're on the GSS website here. So any large survey like the GSS or the BRFSS or the NHIS all have code books, so you can understand what's going on. So you can hit Get Documentation, and then you can open the panel code book from 2006 to 2014. And now you have access to this 1,000 page document here. And this is all the information you could ever want about the survey. It'll give you keys for the codes and broken down responses by year and all that good stuff. So, for example, if you are wanting to figure out what like IAP means in this example, you could get into your code book and literally just Control F IAP, and it tells you what your abbreviations are. And you can do that for your codes throughout too, to find out what the questions are for these particular codes. But that's kind of how you would decode that data.